Go to Turnitin.com, click on Login and enter email of Turnitin account and password to login. Select your class by clicking on class name. Select an empty slot for plagiarism check and click Submit button. Write file name and select appropriate option to upload file. Dialog box will appear, then choose File. Click on Upload button. Review file information and click on Confirm button. Now click on Return on Assignment List. You can see percentage of plagiarism of your file in front of slot where you submitted the file. See slot in which you uploaded the file and click View button. New window will appear where you can see plagiarism report. You can check plagiarisms and grammar layers from Layers button. Instructor Reviews shows feedback of class instructor. You can see plagiarism's percentage and sources of similarity breakdown by clicking on Similarity layer. To exclude reference list from plagiarism's percentage from Filter button, then choose Exclude Bibliography and click on Apply Changes button. Then plagiarism's percentage will be shown after excluding references list. Now click on ETS layer to check grammar issues. To download plagiarism's report, click on Download button and select Current View option from list. Now you can see whole report with mistakes and plagiarisms.